Hello, I'm Tamanisha Casey Mayberry, founder of TMC Consulting Group. And I want to personally invite you to join us for our upcoming financial and tax planning workshop designed specifically for small business owners. So, if you have ever wondered, am I paying too much in taxes? Am I keeping enough of my profits? Or what deductions am I missing? Or how do I prepare my business to grow? If you've asked yourself these questions, then this is the workshop for you. As a business owner, we work very hard for every dollar we earn, but many entrepreneurs are leaving money on the table simply because they don't have a tax strategy. So, during my session, I'll show you how to start thinking beyond tax preparation and begin planning throughout the year. We'll cover practical strategies to help you legally reduce your tax liability, organize your finances, understand business deductions, and make smarter financial decisions that position your business for long term success. You'll leave with real knowledge that you can begin applying to your business immediately, not just during tax season. So, whether you're just getting started or you've been in business for years, this workshop will give you valuable insight that can help you keep more of what you earn and build a stronger financial foundation. We would love to have you join us. So, click the button below to reserve your seat today, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Talk to you soon. Bye.